Hello everyone, my name is Tam from Kenya University. Today I will discuss about choosing the right software development approach. Today we will explore the various methods for developing software and discuss how to make informed decisions in this critical aspect of project management. Before choosing a methodology, it is essential to align it with the project goal. Consider factors like project complexity, team size, timeline, and budget. The waterfall model is a sequential approach, progressing through 6 phases, and it should with well-defined project, but may lack flexibility. Off-the-shelf software refers to pre-built solution for immediate use. It offers quick deployment and cost saving, but lack customization, potentially not meeting the specific needs. Agile is interactive and flexible, allowing a change during development. It's the idea for involving project but requires strong collaboration and continuous communication. Let's explore the software development using the waterfall model. This approach organizes the software development process into a series of sequential phases, each building upon the previous one. The first phase is requirement, where the project objective and scope are defined. This often involves intensive documentation to capture all the project details. In the design phase, the architecture and system components are planned with great detail, specifying how the software will function. Implementation is the phase where the actual coding takes place. The developer writes the code based on the design specification. Once the code is complete, the software enters the testing phase. Here is it undergo the verification and validation to ensure it meets the specified requirements and functions correctly. Upon successful testing, the software proceeds to deployment phase, where it's launched and made accessible to users. Finally, in the maintenance phase, ongoing support and update, as well as the bug fix, are provided to keep the software operational. While the waterfall approach ensures a precise match between the software and initial requirement, it has some drawbacks. It can be resource-intensive and time-consuming due to its sequential nature. Changes become difficult and costly to implement once the phase is complete. Additionally, extensive documentation is a hallmark of the waterfall model, which can add complexity and duration to the project. Next, we talk about the off-the-shelf software. This refers to the pre-built software solution readily available for purchase or use. It offers both advantage and challenge. One of the key benefits of off-the-shelf software is lower risk. These solutions are built on a established product with a proven track record of success. They have already undergone extensive testing and refinement, reducing the risk associated with the software development. Another advantage is quicker deployment. Off-the-shelf software is often ready for immediate use. This rapid implementation can be a significant time saver for business. However, it is important to consider the drawback. While the initial cost of off-the-shelf software may be lower, there are ongoing maintenance and support costs that can accumulate over time. These expenses include updates, patches, and technical support. There is a possibility of a mismatch with the specific project requirement. Off-the-shelf software is designed to cater a broad range of users, and it may not perfectly align with the unique needs of a particular project. This can lead to the need for workarounds or compromise to fit the software to the project requirement. Okay, let's dive into the Agile methodology. Agile is a dynamic and iterative approach to software development that stands out for its adaptability. In Agile, the development process is organized into short cycles or iteration, often referred to as sprint. These iterations allow for continuous improvement and course correction. Collaboration and communication are keys in Agile. with a strong focus on customer involvement. Agile core strength lies in its ability to accommodate change even late in the development process. It prioritizes working software over exotic documentation, delivering functional piece of software incrementally. This approach enables early feedback from users and stakeholders, ensuring that the final product aligns with evolving requirements. Agile development promotes self-organizing and motivates teams, enhances productivity and innovation. It also emphasizes regular reflection on the development process, fostering continued improvement. In this slide, I'm going to compare those approaches, especially off-the-shelf, waterfall, and agile methodology. To do this effectively, I will evaluate their strength and weakness using the data from project process chart. Off-the-shelf software offers the benefits such as lower risk and quicker deployment. However, it may face challenges in perfectly aligning with specific project requirements. The waterfall approach ensures a precise fit with the project requirement, but it can be resource-intensive and time-consuming. It follows a sequential path, limiting the adaptability. Agile, on the other hand, is iterative and adaptable, and collaboration-focused approach. It allows for change throughout the development and remain responsive to evolving requirements. Now let's evaluate the approach based on the data from the project process chart on the right side. The total effort months of the cell may require the least effort, while the agile and waterfall depend on the project complexity. Cost per effort month of the cell may have lower initial cost, but agile adaptability can impact the cost. Cost of software package of the cell has an upfront cost, while the waterfall and agile involve development costs. Elapsed time of the cell is the quickest, while the agile offers rapid interaction. All innovation features of the cell may lag behind, but agile can adapt as need evolve. Annual saving generated. This metric may depend on the specific project objective and success criteria. So it's crucial to use this data for informed decision making. Consider project complexity, budget constraints, timeline, and specific need. We can weigh the pros and cons of each approach based on the project goal and make a choice that aligns with the project requirement and objective. Next, the slide 8 focuses on the significance of DevOps in modern software development. DevOps, short for Development and Operation, is a crucial approach that enhances collaboration and efficiency throughout the software development lifecycle. In today's software landscape, DevOps plays an important role by fostering collaboration between the development and operational teams. It breaks down the traditional silo and ensures that both sides work in harmony. This collaboration results in a streamlined and efficient development process. One of the key benefits of DevOps is continuous integration and delivery, or CI/CD. This means that the codes are changed, automatically integrate, test, and deploy, reducing the time it takes to bring new features and bug fixes to users. This speed not only accelerates development cycle but also improves the overall quality and stability of software system. DevOps practice also emphasize continuous monitoring and feedback. This means that the software is continuously monitored in real time, and feedback loops are in place to identify and address issues promptly. This proactive approach helps in maintaining high software reliability and optimizing performance. In this slide, I'm going to explain why we select our software development approach. First, we delve into the project process chart, a valuable source of data. We thoroughly analyze this data to understand its implication for our choice. Project complexity is another essential aspect. We evaluate the intricacy of the project, including the number of features, technology requirements, and potential risks. Our goal is to ensure that the chosen methodology aligns with the project complexity level. Timeline constraints are a crucial consideration. We take into account any fixed deadlines or time-sensitive elements within the project. Our chosen methodology must effectively accommodate with these constraints to ensure the timely delivery. Budget consideration play a significant role in our decision-making process. We address budgetary constraints and financial aspects associated with the project. Our methodology selection aims to strike a balance between meeting project requirements and optimizing cost effectiveness. Additionally, we consider the unique needs for our organization. This encompasses aspects such as organizational culture, existing process, and long-term goals. The chosen methodology should align with our organization's specific requirements. Okay, this slide sheds light on the assumption that underpin our software development approach. It is crucial to maintain transparency and clarity throughout the decision-making process. We will openly discuss the assumptions made during our decision-making journey, leaving no room for confusion. We will also address how these assumptions influence and shape the chosen methodology. It is essential to recognize the potential impact of assumptions on the project success and adapt our approach accordingly. Okay, this is the end of my presentation, and these reference that I use to create the slides. Thank you for listening.